As you know, we here at Engadget take innovation very seriously, which is why I have been living with this. This is the Pringles hands-free hunger hammer, and if that name and what you're seeing right now was not enough of an indication, this is not a real product. If this has not been made excruciatingly clear already, there is no reason for this product to exist, nor will it ever exist. But it does serve an interesting purpose. It makes us rethink our relationship with food when it comes to our on-demand, always-on, connected lifestyle. And that's not really true. I really just wanted an excuse to eat Pringles at work and make my friends do it too. So let's take a closer look at how all that went. Now, you might be wondering, you rational consumer of the internet, why does something like this exist? And it's purely because, I don't know, Pringles wanted to sell more Pringles. That's really the long and short of it. But if we buy into the marketing myth surrounding this product, it's because Pringles believes that pro gamers take gaming so seriously that they do not have the sparest of moments to put down their controllers and force chips into their mouths. This is all obviously kind of an elaborate joke, but we here at Engadget, as you well know, take our testing very seriously. So I've spent a little bit of time today playing video games on my Nintendo Switch at the office with the headset on to see what it's actually like in the real world. So loading this thing up isn't particularly easy, especially if you're like me and you're an idiot and already are wearing the thing when you want more chips. There is a tube here that can fit about 15 of them. That's kind of a shot in the dark. You can control the mechanical arm attached to this Razer headset either by using the included remote or this handy little button here on the side of the headset. And it is really off-putting. I can't imagine. I have tried playing a game or two with this, and distraction-free it's not. You're going to have a small tray bearing a largely unsatisfying potato crisp hovering just far away from your face enough that you probably can't get it without sort of going full frog, either using your tongue or your lips to grab the chip. I also feel compelled to point out that because of the unique size and shape of the Pringle itself, you can't really shove any chip in here. I'm sure that if you spent enough time rooting through an open bag of Ruffles, you'd find something that would fit in here and that would more or less work okay. But this is very finicky as is. And like I said, no matter, sometimes it just doesn't give you a chip at all. So I don't know what to do with this. If all of that sounded kind of gross, just hearing me say it, imagine what it's like living that life. It is not pleasant. But again, this isn't gonna be a real product. It's just a bit of fun. So maybe I shouldn't be such a spoil sport. This is a way to sell Pringles. And you know what? That's fine. We don't have to always look at everything super critically. We can just enjoy things for the kooky, oddball things that they are and not worry about the fact that this perpetuates really lousy gamer stereotypes. And also, just as a product, is legitimately awful.